Tony, a comfortable win in the end and some clinical finishing as well. You must be very pleased with those 3 points.
Yeah, 3 points is always pleasing and a clean sheet. I think we could have played a bit better today. I think we were a bit wasteful with our possession, but so we can ask for 3 points at home and a clean sheet, and we just move on now to the next game. But yeah, I think we could have been better with our possession, because I think we give Llanelli quite a few chances throughout the game, really.
Lee, not much Christmas cheer for Llanelli this afternoon. Are there any positives you can take from that performance?
I thought it was a good game, but I thought Hwlffordd were ruthless in the final third. They took their chances, they created more opportunities than us over the course of the 90 minutes. But there's plenty of positive from our point of view. We kept good possession, we got many final third entries, but there was just that killer ball of that final pass that let us down.
Fine, 3 phwynt allweddol a gol bwysig arall I ti.
Ie, fi'n credu, o'n ni ddim ar gorau ni heddi, ond y 3 phwynt oedd beth yn pwysig. Ni wedi colli rein cwpl o weithiau yn y blwyddyn diwetha, so oedd e'n really bwysig i curo nhw heddi a cael y 3 phwynt.
And in terms of that third goal, Ben Fawcett scored it, but we understand it's his last appearance here at the Bridge Meadow.
Yeah, Forsey. I've known for a long time that was Ben's plan, that he's going to go to Australia. So that's why his contract was only till January this season, so it'll give him the opportunity to move on when things happened. And yeah, he's off to Australia beginning of January, and he's been a fantastic servant to this football club. Been a local boy as well, played for the club I think since since 2018. So yeah, we just wish Ben all the very best, but we're certainly going to miss him.
From my point of view, it's a case of we just keep going every single game. I've seen improvements in the team over recent weeks, and I've seen improvements again today. Obviously, we're missing 1 or 2 players as well, which we're hoping to get back. We'd like to strengthen in January. Obviously, we just want to keep going, keep ticking along, try and get some more points on the board, and try and stay near the bottom end of the table. But it is difficult, and it's obviously becoming more and more difficult every week that we go by. But as I've said, there's a lot of positives to take from a lot of young players out there who are still learning their trade at this level, and I'm sure they're going to develop and progress even further.
Pawb yn ysgrifennu ni bant a couple o wythnosau yn ôl, ond o'n i wedi cael rediad anodd o gemau, Wara TNS, Connors Key, gemau fel na. Nawr mae gemau falle mwy hawdd ar papur dyn ni, a nawr mae fe'n pwysig ni'n cael y pwyntiau ar y fwrdd mae eisiau ni'n wneud.